In today's video, we will present a strategy in a new way so that your gain rate will increase. That means you can earn more from this analysis. Some time ago, we introduced an indicator called Parabolic SAR and showed its use there. Although we have added some more indicator with it. But today, I will share a tricks so that you can make a more profit with this strategy and with this indicator. So let's start the video without wasting time. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. Although we have shown its use before, I will say it again because it's a simple and effective strategy. So first of all, we have to set up Parabolic SAR indicator. So we are setting up this indicator. For that, we will click on the indicator option, then search by typing Parabolic SAR. So if you type some word and search, it will show in front of you. Then if you click on it, it will be set up on the chart. You can see this indicator is our chart. Maybe many people don't understand that what kind of indicator this is. There is no reason to worry. This is a very simple strategy. You can see that this indicator is made up of some point. So when these points are at the top of the market, that means when the candle are the below, then market will go down. And when these points are at the bottom and candles are top, then market will go up. So when you see a point starting at a zone, if the candle are below it, it gives downtrend signal to the market. As long as there are points in the same zone, the market will go at same trend. The first point has start and the dot are below the market and candle are above the dot, so we are getting the signal of rising the market. In general, if there are candle above the point, the market will go up, and if there are candle below the point, the market will go down. And when the first point is made in a line, it's time to take entry. Remember that when the first point of the Parabolic SAR is formed, you will get the signal of market movement. This means that when the first point of the indicator is formed, if it's below the candle and if the candle is above, then it gives a signal to rise in the market. And if the first point of the Parabolic SAR is formed above the candle and if the candle is down, then it gives the signal to market go down. This means that when a dot is formed, if it's formed below, that is below the candle, then you will take a buy order. Again, if these dots are formed above the candle, then you can take sell order. You will receive the signal only when the first point is created. Again, when the dots are finished forming in one line, then you have to understand that the market trend is changing. As you can see here, many points were made below. Then those points moved from the bottom to the top. Then market movement changed as soon as the Parabolic SAR moved from bottom to top. So this is the use of this indicator and how you can understand by using this indicator of market trend. Now I will show you how to get a better signal from it. That's why you need to set up ICM Cloud. So I will show you how to set up this indicator and how to use it. Before that, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. To set up this indicator, just click on the indicator option as before. After clicking on the indicator option, a new page will come up. Search by typing ICM here. Just do it the way we are doing and searching this indicator. Search by typing an indicator named ICM Cloud will come in front of you. Once you click on it, it will be set up on your chart. As you can see on the screen, a lot of zigzag line. Maybe you were confused looking at this indicator, thinking that it may be very difficult to analyze it, but not very hard to use it. So we have to make some setting so that you can use it very easily. So that's why you have to click on setting icon. If you click there, a new page will appear which you can see on the screen. The setting you need to do here is remove the top 3 line. Once you remove the tick mark from here, the line will be removed. Then come to the side input option, then write 1 in the displacement option from here. When this is done, then click OK. This will set up on your chart. Now there are just 2 lines between the indicator that you can see. It's called Kumu Cloud. Basically through this we will do analysis and find out the entry zone very easily, and we will use these 2 indicators. The market is on uptrend when the market is above the Kumo cloud, and the market is on a downtrend when it's below the Kumo cloud. On other hand, when the green line is above the red line, the market signals to be on uptrend, and when the green line is below the red line, the market signals to on the downtrend. However, we will use these two indicators for a good signal. So when the market is below the Parabolic SAR and also below the Kumo cloud, you can safely take sell order, and when the market is above the Kumo cloud and Parabolic SAR, then you will take buy order. That means you don't have to see anything else here by using this indicator. When you see the candle above the Kumo cloud and also with the Parabolic SAR, then you can take buy entry without any hesitation. In the same way, when the market is on the opposite position, that means Kumo cloud and Parabolic SAR is above from the market, then you can take sell order. I hope you can understand, and by using this indicator you can set up SL and TP. So there is a system for setting SLTP. Suppose the candle was at the top when you order and the Parabolic SAR and Kumo cloud were bottom. Then when you see the Parabolic SAR rise from the bottom of the candle after the entry, then you will understand that the market trend will change. So then you can close your entry, and if you are not in the market, then you can set up SLTP with 1:3 profit ratio. I hope you have fully understand that there is no hesitation. Even then, if there is a problem, let us know in the comment box without any hesitation. We will assist you with more information as soon as possible. However, you must practice in the demo first, then apply it in real trading. Another thing is that many of you may use a lot of strategy or indicator. So which one is best of your point of view, or which one you are using, and by using how many dollar you are gaining? So let us know in the comment box, then we will upload video about your favorite indicator. And the last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.